So here's a tip for you guys when you're doing trim work. Here we're doing a fascia board on the front of our bench. To get this measurement, I'd have to measure short point. Outside to outside, 71 1/4, that'd be short point. But I always like to cut long points on my trim work because that's the side that you see when you're on outside corners. You want that long point to be really nice and tight. To get that measurement, you just have to take the thickness of your wood and add that to both sides. So because a true 45, whatever distance you come out this way, that's how far you increase in length that way. So because this was 71 1/4, short to short, 1 inch board, add 1 inch on both sides. 73 1/4 is what my long to long should be. And that is what I have. That is what I like to do when I'm measuring for trim work because it allows you to measure to the outside of the long to long side and make that a nice clean cut. And here is my last piece. Tie that into the corner. And one thing I like to do on my Trex corners when I 45 it is just tap it with your hammer. And that smooths off that edge a little bit because this composite decking is really sharp. So when you're cutting that bevel cut, it's like a razor knife.